Today I'm excited to share with you all a tutorial on how to do the slingshot. Now, I was taught that it was a variation of crazy legs, but I feel like it's more of a dribble variation. If you follow me on Instagram, you see me do this frequently, usually from a low angle because I like the way it looks. But this is an intermediate move, and I would recommend having learned how to do crazy legs, dribbling with a pivot from side to side. I do have some tutorials that cover these topics. I'll leave them in the description box below. So for this move, you start in a crazy legs motion. The placements are a bit different, but I do like to start this move by doing a full-blown crazy legs. The most essential part of the move is the heel flick of the front foot. It flicks twice, and on that second flick, it will land to go back down on all four wheels, and then goes back to do the move all over again. Now in a typical crazy legs, the back foot is on its toes. You can go ahead and place all four wheels down. This gives you a lot of stability for that front foot flick. Front foot flick. Try to say that 3 times really fast. This right here is a good drill to get the move down. Make sure you're bending your knees. The full motion will require you to turn your body and face the side that's opposite of the foot flick. So if you're flicking the right foot, look to the left and vice versa. You'll pivot on your front toes to get to the other side, just like a dribble pivot. It's a fun move to do, but does require some practice. Again, the more you bend your knees, the easier it is to do. At least that's how I feel. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and feel free to follow me on Instagram and let me know what other moves you'd like for me to teach. See you in the next video.